Let Annie come in. Come on, Annie. Go on.
They must put terrible amount of hours in because it's such tedious work. You see, sometimes you get good work, sometimes it's very dree. And the drear it is, the harder they have to sit at it. You get a good walk, they can earn 30 bob a day at least. Get a bad one, take you a month to earn 30 shillings.
Nottingham's most famous trade is lace. What these women are doing is to separate the lace into thin strips for the hems of, say, petticoats. The lace has been woven in one piece, and these women are separating it into strips by drawing out the thread or warp that holds them together. A machine would be more expensive.
See, the lace varies, and they have to take the good with the bad. Around here, we're living in the poorer class of people, and they live for the lace. You take the lace off them, they wouldn't last long. They're too old to go out to work. They're past cleaning jobs. There's nothing that they could do. But apparently half of them have been brought up by their mothers and the grandmothers that did it before them. They were taught by the grandmothers, and it was very hard work in those days. If you took the work off them, it would be just like taking the right hand off.